Oh my god. Oh my god. I just signed David Silva. Oh my god. I just signed him. Oh my gosh, contract. Oh my gosh, I just signed him. I can't believe it. I'm gonna go for 5 years. I don't care. Confirm. Oh my god. Oh my god, David Silva. Oh my god, he's an 88 rated player. Let's go to my club. Oh my god. Oh my god, David Silva is in my club. Let's play another match with. Let's try David Silva. Oh my gosh, David Silva. Look at this. Look at that. David Silva. 88 rated overall. Oh my god, we just have to try a match. And after this, my dad just called me that we have to leave, so I just try to fit this game in. Come on, David Silva. Yes, Muffin, we got David Silva. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. We have an 88 rated player. And I got first Jay Olsen, who's like 65 overall. I was actually thinking because he's 5-starred. Should I go for one more? And I got David fucking Silva. Yes. Oh my god. Moreno and all the big guys in my team. Bonucci, David Silva, Moreno, and Gareth Bale. Oh my god. And Slimani. To Slimani. 1-0. That's what. That's how it goes. 1-0. Get in the back. Come on. Yes. Decent Slimani. Yeah, that's decent, you know. We just got David. Oh my god. Silva. 1-0 in the Man United Stadium. And Slimani again. Let's go on all-out attack. What was that, Slimani? It doesn't matter. You scored already. And we pretty much won this match. So, Slimani, what a beautiful goal again. 2-0. This is just so easy. Oh my god. And it's 2-0. And how much time went? 12 minutes actually went. And it's already 2-0. Oh my gosh, Slimani with 2 goals. Decent David Silva in game. Gareth Bale 2-4. It's a bit long. Will it go out? Yes, it went out. Sadly, it's their ball. Yes, Muffin, it's their ball. Come on, tackle him. Tackle him, come on. Let's win this. Decent stuff. Just get the ball back from Mikel. Tackle Saramantos. Oh, Muffin, you're tired. Yeah, I can see it. I can. Decent stuff. Come on. And Gareth Bale for the third. And David Silva. Oh my god, what a decent save. He's already in game. David Silva's already in game. He's just such a high rated player and so good that I can't even believe it. When he came out, when I saw Silva, I knew, but I was just thinking about the rating. I didn't think he's 88 rated. I thought about 85, 86, maybe even 83, 84. That's what I was thinking about. But his rating is the same in FIFA, so that's cool. Yes, it is, Muffin. Yes, it is. It's cool. It's cool. It is cool. Fodor, come on. Some nice stuff. Silva, back to Bonucci. The other big signing. Come on back, Muffin. Come on back. And it's 2-0 against Korok FK. 2 goals for Slimani. Maybe it will be another hat-trick. Gareth Bale, decent stuff. He lost it, but it's out. He forced the throw-in, so that's good enough. We won this match. I'm not worried about losing because it's 2-0 against this really bad team. But in the beginner division 3, it's gonna be tougher. Come on, decent stuff. Slimani, yes, decent. Oh my God, Slimani. This is the Medi. He already scored 2 goals. But tackle Richard, tackle Armenteros, tackle Moran, tackle Agolin. Just get the ball from them. Stop. Don't let them have the ball. Okay, now I'm gonna go for all-out attack. Decent stuff, Gareth. Why? If I'm going for a long passing, that should do the thing. That should do the trick. That should do the trick. Yes. Decent stuff. Decent stuff. I'm gonna go back to short passing. I said I'm gonna go back to short passing. Come on. Don't let them attack. Oh my God, battery is low. It's on 22%. It shouldn't be on low. It only says low when it's below 20. What? What a save by Bogdan. Yes, decent save, Adam. He's actually signed for Liverpool, so a long time ago now, so that's good. Hungarian goalkeeper, but my Hungarian goalkeeper favorite is Király Gábor. Király Gábor, and you know I'm Hungarian, én magyar vagyok. So, yeah, so I'm pretty decent. I got a lot of Hungarians in my team actually. Fodor, he's Hungarian as well. Moreno, Bonucci, Gamon Bonucci, tackle him. Berezuzzi, tackle him. Stieber is Hungarian as well. David Silva is not. He's Spanish. Stieber is Hungarian. You can see him right there where I'm tapping him. Right there. Yep. Get the ball from Richard. Get the ball. Why can't I take it away? I'm trying. I'm tapping the screen, but it's gonna end as a 2-0 win, which I'm pretty happy with for David Silva's first match. Unfortunately, he didn't score. He had a chance, but it was a decent save by the goalkeeper. Good first match from David Silva. He had some chances. He had the ball. So, Armenteros, decent, yeah, mate. And we won this 2-0. It's decent, it's good, it's nice, it's... Yeah, that's all that I want to say. Slimani was the best performer from the team with an 8.0 rating. I just literally won 2-0 against Qarabağ FK. Chelsea did win, just only 1-0. And Evian Sonogala played a draw, so he can't catch me anymore, I think. I have 3 matches remaining. If I lose all 3, that's the way he can catch me. So I have to win 1 match, and then my winning is guaranteed. Come on, that's decent. And Chelsea's back in 2nd place again. Gareth Bale went up to 92 overall. Decent stuff. Decent stuff. And I went up by fans. That's decent as well. I'm gonna train some guys. What just happened? Training camp season has arrived. Yeah, I'm gonna spend 1 million, I guess. Okay, that's all. And the season hasn't ended. I don't know why I said that. Match day 10. against the United at Tarragona now. So oh my god. Of course I'm gonna train Thiago Silva. It's actually the same start as Gareth Bale. I'm gonna train him. Maybe get him up a little bit. Oh, shooting can bring him up a star, so that's decent. I'm gonna spend another one on shooting. Oh my god, why isn't it literally working? Ball control maybe? Oh, no more points to spend. That's not good. But we brought David Silva into the club. And my overall rating is at 701. Decent. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace.